मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस को लेकर फैसला महफूज कर लिया गया है। चीफ जस्टिस ने कहा कि फैसले से पहले तमाम जजेस से मुशावरत होगी। कब सुनाया जाएगा, इस हवाले से कोई रिमार्क सामने नहीं आए हैं। अब दो वीडियोस आपके सामने रखते हैं। एक 2018 के इलेक्शन की बात चीफ जस्टिस ने की तो इनको क्या जवाब देते रहे जस्टिस अतर, और आर्मी का जिक्र क्यों करते रहे। साथ सलमान अकरम राजा से सवाल किया जस्टिस रिजवी ने कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान तो आपके खिलाफ पार्टी बना हुआ है, उसको तो न्यूट्रल रहना चाहिए। तो सबसे पहले दोस्तों आप ये जस्टिस अतर की वीडियो देखें, फिर इस पर बात करते हैं।
For myself, this edifice of the Constitution and read as a whole as a text is premised on one fundamental principle, that is self-governance. And the most important is that right of vote.
Yes.
No one is arguing that.
Yes.
Now, people had voted for a particular political party. And I don't know, I had given a written order, and why the commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to make conduct the elections fairly, just because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018. And it had raised serious questions on the election commission as well. So are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My lord, and that vote is reflected in terms of adopting a system of proportionate representation. If that is not adopted, what will happen is a minority government is converted into a government which has 2/3 majority. That should not happen. That is disproportionate representation. My lord.
तो देखा दोस्तों जस्टिस अतर ने कैसे उनको जवाब दिया। इसके बाद जस्टिस रिजवी ने क्या कहा, आप ये वीडियो देखें।
मिस्टर राजा, किसी जमाने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते
जी जी जी।
अब तो ईसीपीबी मुकदमा जीतने आई है लाइक एन ऑर्डनरी
They are
लिटिगेंट।
acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial arbiters of the election process.
They have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They want to win the case.
Their interest
By any
should be,
means.
I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case, they